good morning, viewers. I'm on this as a new model Mercedes. See, okay. So I wanted to tip the cabin up this morning, so I noticed something which is showing on the dashboard. So you see the engine light is blinking, and we have a steering light also. See, the steering light is telling us the power steering function not assured. So the sign that came is on all, you see. So we're going to check on that and see what is the problem. But before that, I made a video before how to tip, how to put this on in PTO. But first,